What's up, guys? This is my first YouTube video. Probably gonna be pretty bad. This is my 2006 Mustang GT. You might have seen it on Instagram or wherever. I was supposed to be doing a hot rod cam install. That went pretty badly. So we are now doing a partial engine rebuild in my driveway.
Yeah, boom.
Drop it.
Literally teleports.
All right, now we're watching Diddy oil up the cams.
I'll rub it up too.
Oh yeah. I may not show that. I'll show this though.
Yeah.
So we're just placing them on. Make sure that these are the exact orientation of when you took them off. It's like 89 inch-pounds to torque these down, but you don't torque them down the first time. You kind of like screw them in a certain order and then tighten them down in that order. We just completely messed up.
We're gonna have to go bolts.
We're gonna have to go. Yeah. We're not even gonna use the phaser bolts. We're gonna throw the car away and we're not gonna use it anymore. Make sure you line these up because we just had to take every single one of these off and loosen them so that we can move it.
Phaser going in.
Phaser going in.
I've done this before and I can't even.
He's literally done it before and we didn't do it right. But we did it right. You torque that to 30 and then after it breaks, you go down another 90 degrees and it's kind of scary. Okay, got to film everything. Left side was actually way easier. It only took like 30 minutes because we're not stupid anymore. Okay. So we put this on here.
What do we forgot to record? So this is what you're getting. This is how we put it on and that's what you get.
This is how you put it on.
What do I?
What away, that's it.
Turn it off.
Okay, so I forgot to film an update for the last 2 days. I've been trying to figure everything out. Realized that a keeper, one of the intake keepers that hold the spring retainer in, popped out and dropped the valve and just shredded the keepers inside. The internals in here are fine. The cams are fine. Everything's good. But I don't know if you can see. That right one is bent upwards. Jacob just sprayed me with brake cleaners when I was yawning, like mid-yawn, and I died of asthma, but my sinuses are clear, so we're good. These came in, look pretty nice. Definitely a lot better than those. Coolant reservoir, got that off with the hose, so we kind of cleared stuff up right here so I can start taking all these pulleys off, and obviously got to take all this stuff off to get the timing cover off to get the heads off. So that's the process right now. We're actually making good progress. I'm not making good videos, but we're making good progress. So got the water pump off and all the other pulleys. Got to get this off. This pulley is so close to the power steering lines down here. It's an 18 millimeter. I can't fit a wrench in there, so you're gonna have to look up a video on how to take a power steering pump pulley off because it didn't want to really come off. And yeah, I'm getting the crank pulley dealt with. It's an 18 millimeter. You use that impact on it. I had to take this bracket off right here to be able to kind of move this around because I almost rounded off the crank pulley bolt. I was kind of at an angle trying to make it work, and anyways, so don't do that. Just move this. You can push it down a little bit. It makes bad noises, but it won't hurt anything. All right. Timing cover is off. Obviously you have 4 bolts right here and then a bunch. Now I'm taking the heads off. I just got him to go pick up some impact sockets because we didn't have any. So, fingers crossed. All right, so we dropped the head off at my mechanic. He's kind of seating the valve and doing all that because I don't know how to do that and I'm not gonna try. But we figured out what happened. The spring was super loose, like super squishy. So I got a new spring. Probably should have gotten all new springs, but it's been like 2.5 weeks now since this, and I kind of just want to drive my car. this is obviously my fuel rail. I got the AN8 to quick disconnect little thing for my fuel line. And these are Mishimoto 90°. They're both AN8s, and they connect to each other right here. And then we got the block off kind of thing. I need to put an O-ring here because this isn't really going to do much without one. But I'm switching the injectors over right now, and I'll have to, they gave me like 5 feet of steel braided hose, so I'm gonna have to obviously fit it and cut it later on. But that's fine. That can wait. So I gotta retime the whole car. Obviously, never have done that before, so that's nice. This will be like the end update since we won't have anything else to kind of tear off. Yeah, it's only up from here, I guess. I hope. I probably shouldn't say that. All right, so I talked to my mechanic. Since one of the valve springs failed, it's probably smart to get all of them redone. So I just ordered those. I'm also going to be getting a new timing kit because, I mean, it's 206,000 miles and the chain's probably stretched. So the good thing is I can use the new timing kit on the motor that I get in like a year. So same with the valve spring. So I mean, I guess it's fine. Also, we kind of got this dirty anyways, so it'll be better to kind of clean that all out. Yo, what's up? Just finished cleaning off all the piston heads. Just enough to where they weren't black. I'll put a picture up like right now. But that's what they look like, and this is a big difference. So I'm pretty happy with it. I just used some brake cleaner and rags. If you get a metal brush, the bristles are not hard enough to scratch the metal, so you're all good there. Also, I did notice there's a lot of, something must have gotten stuck in there and bounced around a lot because those are not the same. Anyways, just something I noticed. It's probably fine, I hope.